Hello everyone, I'm Leo from Chongyang University, and I'm going to share about what I have done with the Guardian system in the Mega World. Let's start with understanding what is the Mega World game, and which is my test one. Okay, actually, the Mega in the Mega World is stand for Multiplayer Educational Game for All. It's a role-playing game you can play in the web browser, and students can explore the virtual environment and interact with other NPCs and players, and take on quests that is tied to their sports subjects. The goal of this game is to help students to learn while playing. Okay. Here is the actual here's the actual game snapshot, and you can see there's my player in the middle of the map, and it can move around and interact with the map. But let's now focus on the Guardian system, which is on the bottom right. The Guardian system is designed to help. The Guardian system is designed to help the players by answering their questions. Although the player can ask for any question on any map, but each map may be offering different help of service. Like the example, when I ask the Guardian, what can you help me with? We can know that the Guardian is teaching me Java. And on the other map, maybe teach me Python or CDP. Okay. Here is just a quick peek of the Guardian panel to chat. I will take demo later, so I'm not going to go further now. Okay. The text tool is what I've done mainly is to make Guardian to work with several LLMs. Before the player can actually chat with the Guardian in the main game, the manager must set up the Guardian on each map. Like the old UI can only support like 3 LLMs, and I add support for a total of 5 LLMs. And I also add some feature like custom promotes and model selection. Like you can see here, the GPT have multiple models. And I include some quality of life improvements, such as the caution and the clear button or the switch button. Okay, and now I'm going to do a demo. See, here's the management system. When I press this button, and I can compute the process to Guardian on this map. Here you can see the first one, LM is Ask4Summary, second one is Chatbot, GPT, Deny, VEE Bot. Let's stick with the LM that most people know about is ChatGPT. You can see now there is one model that is GPT-4.1 Nano. It has already have promotes, and let's add another one with GPT-4. And actually, let's leave it space. When leave space, it will act like a normal LM that we will chat in our lives. Let's leave it. Okay. Now we have done setting. Let's go back to the GPT. Okay. After that management to set up the LMs, I also let the engine to work with the all LMs. You can see that if I have set up 5 or more LMs in one map. So, but the player cannot talk to all elements on one time. So they need to type the use command to switch between LMs. The use command is an old feature. However, I have enchanted that it has, like you should see here, it has so many different colors for the different server providers. And also I have made clickable. If you click on it, it will be automatically copied to the input. You can just simply press send, which change the LN. It's more convenient. That's it. Demo. You can see I'm the player now, and I can click on the Guardian. That's use. You can see now. See now I'm using Gemini to flash. Actually, I click on the GPT-4 we just set up and use that. I say hi. Okay, there is no one because we don't have any promote. So you just say, how can I assist you today? Okay. Also, I have I have also added a default model feature in the game. So right now I'm selecting GPT-4, and if I go to different map, you can see that the map doesn't support GPT-4. So if I ask some questions, you tell me that, hey, the model is supported on this map, so it will change to the Gemini, which is the default. And if I go back to the previous map, because this map is supporting Gemini, so it won't change. Okay, that's back to the. Okay, let's combine the text 3 and 4, which is deliver the Guardian web UI and an app. Okay, let's first talk about UI. Actually, the web UI is modified from the old UI. I just clone an old UI and modify it and add some new components to make it a separate UI, a set of separate UI files. This set of UI files will only be used in the app and won't be able to access during the normal campaign in the main game. This set of UI file, including login, logout, avatar selection with player selection, and the main Guardian system. Okay. Now the web UI. Once the web UI is done, the web UI is actually just a web view browser wrapper. It's actually just very easy. But yeah, although the project file and the APK are accessible in the repo, but I have made a QR code here. So if someone want to try it, you can scan the QR code to download it on your Android phone. But I'll give you a note that this app is not designed for the new players for Mega. This app is designed for the player you have already played in main game. So it don't have the sign up feature. Let's demo it. Wait a second. Yeah, you can see my phone here. So here's the app, and then run it, and open it. You get in the Mega. It's the web view UI login. Let me log in with the test account. Sorry. So let's load it. You can see it's the same as here. So if actually I say hi here, should you see? Here 2 seconds, and we can also use this separately. I can type use here, use, and I want to click to GPT-4 Nano. You can say hi also. And yeah, it's only Chinese because the promote I just said. And also there's a button on the top right, is player select. I can choose another player. And I can switch between players on different maps and talk with different guardians. Like now on this player I'm using Gemini. So I'm talking to Gemini now. Hi, who are you? Oh yeah, then the Gemini is also said to be a Java programming expert. So we don't see it as a Gemini. And so, thank you.